When we pull up to an anchorage, we often jump in and dive on our anchor. We want to see how it all looks underneath. We want to make sure the anchor is set. And you can see here that our bridle, we attach it to the chain with this Dyneema soft shackle, and that helps distribute the load across the boat. And then we run down the chain and we put enough chain out that we pull laterally on the anchor and not vertically. You can see here, Jaden is giving it the test. It's buried deep in the sand and it's not going anywhere.